Don't you just hate it? You've just bought yourself a new car, pretty flush, full leather, cruise control, electric windows all round, but there's no cup holders. What is the point? Well, luckily, lots of other people have had the same problem, so they sell this. So today we're going to be going through what it takes to fit cup holders into an E46. So these were 15 quid from AliExpress, including delivery in that price as well. It took 2 weeks for them to arrive, which is pretty cheap, and they're exactly the same as everything I could see on Amazon. This is what we've got in my car. Some people have got a little slidey cover. Oh, there we go. That was easy, wasn't it? Just pull it up. It's quite tricky with one hand, isn't it? So we've got one of those which looks like an aerial. So for this other plastic clip we've got, so we can press in, and then yeah, this lever on top, so when we press this in we should be able to slide that down. There we go, like that. There we go. Right, that's all the old out of the way now, so you can get the front side in where it wants to be first, which is sort of around there. Nice, so you can clip in the rears, and we've got to line these two tabs up like that as it goes down. Give it a nice, oh no, a nice wiggle, nice little press everywhere, and that is your cup holders installed.